What's up guys, welcome back to our channel How to Guide. Today in this video I'm going to teach you guys how to delete general Slack channel in iOS. So let's get started guys. Guys, note that I'm using my iOS version, so I'm going to teach you how to delete general Slack channel in iOS system. So what you're going to do is guys, so about deleting the general channel in Slack in phone, guys, there's no such option to do it, so sorry guys that you can't do it, but instead of it you can hide it, like, or you can mute the channel like this, so it will be hidden automatically. So that's pretty much guys. I hope this video is useful for you guys. So thank you for watching our video guys. If you like our video, please leave a like and do not forget to subscribe our channel, and also hit the bell icon so you never miss an update from us, and also comment down for more reviews and more contents like this. I'll see you guys again in our next video. Till then, stay safe guys. Thank you for watching.